You are witnessing a workshop on lightning and lightning protection conducted by the Arthur C Clarke Institute for Modern Technologies. It's a 2-day hands-on workshop that is meant for those who are fixing lightning arresters and those who are working on lightning field, and also electrical and electronic engineers. And this is a quite a necessary thing in the current scenario of increased lightning. We are now trying to establish a national lightning safety center at the Arthur C Clarke Institute for Modern Technologies, and this is just a forerunner of this workshop also. And in future, that whenever there is a lightning arrester fixed, there will be we are going to issue a certificate that this is functioning properly.